Hey, it's Aran here. Welcome to the tech tutorial on my YouTube channel. I'm going to show you how to create a product mockup on your website for your online course, your membership, exactly like you see right here. You've probably seen it on different sales pages and websites and so on, and I wanted to show you how to get it done with just a few clicks. If you stick around to the end of this video, you'll also see at the very end how I'm going to share with you a template that you can actually use and get it done with ease using the template that I'm going to provide for you. So stick around to the end so you'll be able to claim that little free gift. With that said, let's dive right in. This one is another section. Now this is strictly an image on Canva. Now let me show you. Let's see if I can find where I created it. Hang on. Okay, there you go. So this one, here's how I did it. Let me just duplicate this page and then I'll actually show you how I did it. So you're going to go to Elements and you're going to search for the word frame. Now you'll see a whole bunch of frames here. Computer, mobile, this, book. If you ever wonder how to set up a little book like your freebie or PDF, this is how you do it. Really simple, okay? Now, once you drag and drop it, let's say this is the book, you can go to Uploads. Let's find my picture. There you go. You put the picture and it basically puts yourself straight in. Now, obviously, if you want to have like an actual book cover, you will create the cover on the correct size. So the correct size will be, let's say, search for book cover like this, and then you will create the cover. And then once you download it, you will then upload it back to Canva here and upload it. So let me just show you a real example. Let's just say this is the cover. Let's just say that we're happy with this cover. Now, this requires tinkering. You might mess it up. It might not look good. You'll have to play around with it, but I just want to do a demonstration. PNG, download it. And now we're going to go back here, and then we're going to drag and drop it here. Here it is. Okay. And this is the book cover. Now, obviously, this doesn't look very good, but the point is that you'll need to tinker with it. And sometimes you can actually tinker with the sizing like this to make it like that. And it actually looks not too bad the way it looks. But again, this requires a little bit of tinkering around with this stuff, okay? So you just need to be aware of that. Now, what I did for this one is, you see this text, website preparation checklist, sales page outline. I simply created it here like that. I downloaded it and I uploaded it back here. So I'm going to detach. Let me just detach this one, the image. So you see, this is the image, okay? I'm going to put it back. And then I made sure of it, the sizing, because I didn't want it to be stopped from that. Now, what I did with this part, the website preparation checklist, I went and I did, let me just show you. So this is the website preparation checklist. And there is a way to make this small like that. So what I did is I increased the size to make it bigger like that. Oops, it went a bit too much, basically. And then I took a screenshot like this, and then I uploaded it to Canva. Now, here's a little hack for you as well with Canva. You can actually upload it directly once you click it. Let me just do it again because it disappeared before I had a chance. Let's just say I'm going to take a picture of this, and then I'm going to literally grab it and drag it straight in, basically. Okay. So that's another way to just speed up your process. Okay. And in this one, I took the sales page outline, which is this one. I took a picture. Again, I think I just made it bigger, basically. Oh no, what I did is I took a picture of this right here. So I took a picture of this part so people that you can't actually read it. And then I uploaded it. Okay. So that's kind of the how of how I got this little thing. And when I downloaded it like this. Notice that it's page 47. So you go to PNG, click on this button, scroll all the way down, page 47, and then make it transparent background. This is really important because let's just say for a moment, obviously that wasn't the case with me, but let's just pretend for a moment that you want the background to be a different color. So let me just show you. Let's just make it light blue, okay? Because it's transparent, it still looks good. If it wasn't transparent, you would see this as white cover and it just doesn't look good. So you want to download something like that as transparent. Okay. Now, obviously I didn't want to do it as blue anyway, so it doesn't really matter, but you want to have the options. If you choose to do it that way, you can. Okay. So just download as transparent. It'll make your life easier. Okay. Congratulations for getting to the end of this video. As promised, I have a free gift for you to claim the template that I have used to create the product mockup. So you can use it to make your life a bit easier. And all you got to do is go to website diycourse.com/mockup. So do it right now and enter your name and email, and you'll be able to get access to it right away. It will be emailed to you as soon as you enter your name and email. With all that said, if you're new to this channel, I'd really appreciate if you do hit that subscribe button and leave me a comment to let me know if you've claimed your freebie as well. And that's about it. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll speak to you soon.